Hello everybody, welcome back to Decor Tricks. Luxury bathrooms are no longer just about functionality, they're becoming personal retreats that combine relaxation, technology, and style in ways that transform the entire space. In 2025, the trend is all about creating a sophisticated environment where every detail feels elevated, from the tiles to the lighting and everything in between. In today's video, we'll explore the top modern luxury bathroom design ideas that are making waves this year. Whether you're looking to renovate or start fresh, these trends will inspire you to rethink your bathroom design and bring a touch of elegance into your daily routine. One of the biggest trends for 2025 is turning your bathroom into a spa-like retreat. This means creating a calming atmosphere where you can unwind after a long day. Think freestanding tubs that look like a piece of art, rainfall showers that feel like an indulgent escape, and steam rooms that mimic the serenity of a wellness center. To enhance the relaxation vibe, materials like natural stone, wood, and marble are making their way into bathroom designs. These earthy elements help bring a sense of nature indoors, creating a peaceful, grounded feel. With soft lighting, soft textures, and thoughtful design, your bathroom can truly become a sanctuary for mind and body. The integration of high-tech features is taking luxury bathrooms to the next level. In 2025, bathrooms are smarter than ever, offering more convenience and comfort than ever before. Touchless faucets, heated floors, and self-cleaning toilets make daily routines feel effortless. Smart mirrors with built-in LED lighting, anti-fog features, and even voice-activated controls are becoming standard in luxurious bathrooms. These tech upgrades don't just enhance functionality, they also bring an element of innovation that blends seamlessly into the sleek, modern design. With the touch of a button or a voice command, your bathroom can adapt to your needs, elevating both style and convenience. When it comes to making a statement in luxury bathrooms, wall tiles are taking center stage in 2025. Bold, oversized patterns and textured surfaces are replacing the standard, adding depth and visual interest. Tiles with intricate geometric designs, vibrant color contrasts, and natural stone finishes create an impactful feature wall that draws the eye and sets the tone for the entire space. Not only are these tiles visually striking, but they also elevate the bathroom's atmosphere, adding a touch of sophistication. Whether it's a marble accent wall, large-scale mosaic tiles, or an elegant terrazzo finish, statement tiles make your bathroom feel like a high-end retreat. In 2025, the trend is shifting towards earthy tones and natural textures, creating bathrooms that feel warm, inviting, and grounded. Soft beiges, muted greens, and warm terracotta hues are making their way into bathroom color palettes, replacing the stark whites of previous years. These colors not only promote relaxation but also create a sense of harmony with the natural world. Pairing these earthy tones with materials like wood, stone, and bamboo adds depth and warmth to the space. Textured surfaces, such as pebble shower floors or wooden vanities, enhance the organic feel, making the bathroom a place of both beauty and tranquility. This natural aesthetic creates a serene environment that invites you to unwind and reconnect with nature, even within the walls of your own home. Floating vanities are a sleek and modern choice for luxury bathrooms in 2025, offering both style and practicality. These vanities create an open, airy feel by lifting the storage off the ground, giving the space an uncluttered look. This minimalist design not only enhances the overall aesthetic but also makes cleaning much easier, helping maintain a tidy and streamlined bathroom. Coupled with hidden storage solutions like recessed cabinets or drawers, the focus is on keeping the bathroom organized without compromising on elegance. By minimizing visual clutter, floating vanities and innovative storage solutions make the bathroom feel spacious, modern, and incredibly functional, ideal for those looking to maintain both luxury and practicality in their designs. Lighting plays a crucial role in setting the tone for a luxury bathroom, and in 2025, it's all about making a statement with bold, lush fixtures. Oversized chandeliers, elegant pendant lights, and wall sconces are taking center stage, adding a dramatic touch to the space. These fixtures don't just illuminate the bathroom, they become focal points that enhance the overall design. Layering different light sources is another key trend, allowing you to create a balanced and dynamic ambience. Soft, ambient lighting for relaxation, combined with task lighting near mirrors or vanities, provides both functionality and a luxurious atmosphere. With the right lighting choices, your bathroom can feel as glamorous and inviting as any high-end spa. To wrap things up, the modern luxury bathroom designs of 2025 are all about blending style with function. Whether you're creating a spa-like retreat, incorporating smart technology, or adding statement tiles and earthy textures, these trends will transform your bathroom into a serene and sophisticated space. By focusing on high-end materials, innovative features, and thoughtful design, it's easier than ever to create a bathroom that feels like a luxury escape. So, which of these trends will you be incorporating into your bathroom design? Share your thoughts with us in the comments below. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to Decor Tricks for more inspiring design ideas. Stay tuned for even more tips and tricks to elevate your home.